How to make a teleport area in Roblox Studio. And create 2 areas for teleport. Name both teleport areas. Add a script to the workspace. Writing the script. This is a script that teleports between 2 parts of the same type with some delay. This function handles the teleportation logic. It takes 2 arguments. Part from, the part the player is teleporting from, and part to, the destination part. When part from is touched, it teleports the player to part 2, adds a vertical offset to avoid getting stuck, and handles the can touch property to prevent immediate re-teleportation. These calls set up the teleportation between teleport part 1 and teleport part 2 in both directions. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.